welcome back. Today we will try to create a category carousel for e-commerce website. Quick and easy tutorial. Before we start, please like and subscribe this channel and stay tuned. We have very interesting topics coming up. Thank you. First, let's create some categories in the WooCommerce product tab. Creating categories is very easy. Just write your category and press enter to create. Now we will create these categories. Now, we will create our category carousel here in this page using Elementor widget. I forgot to mention that we will need Elementor Pro for this. If you guys want me to create this with just free Elementor version, let me know in the comment. I'll create that only if you guys are interested. Search for Media Carousel. We will be using this for Out Category Carousel today. This is developer version Elementor Pro. That's why it's bugging, I guess. We can use Elementor Navigator to place our widget. So, let me explain how are we going to do this. We will set image, does not matter how many you want. Then for each image, we will add custom URL. How are we going to find the URL? I have the product category page in the other tab. We will just click view for each category and copy the URL, set it up with the image accordingly. This is the image for men. We will go to the other tab, find men category, click on the view, copy the URL, paste it there. Simple. Sorry for the low-resolution images, I have just collected them quickly. You can create a very good-looking one if you spend some time styling it. You can create it, play around with it. This is fully customizable. By going to the advanced settings of this widget, you can select how many images to show. Auto looping, looping effects like fading or others. Hope. This helps you, and we have many interesting topics like glowing button effects or title color effects using CSS. So, to stay tuned, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.